Sunrise Gold.
Sunrise Gold with a gray tile. This is Desert
Sunrise
Haze.
Gold.
It's more brown. Here's a palette of the Golden Sunrise. So you can see different colors. Okay, look at this. This is actually Sunrise Golden?
Sunrise Gold.
That's what we picked. It looks nothing like that. And then this is
Desert Haze.
Desert Haze. Okay, they don't look anything like we were just outside looking at. They look completely different.
Today is Friday, January 26th. These guys are back at it. Looks like we have some good weather again. These guys work really, really hard. Off with the brick coping. That seems to be coming off really quick. And just a very short time later, almost all of the brick coping is off. That was really, really fast. Smile. You guys will be movie stars. I told Jose this stuff's gonna go on YouTube. They're gonna be movie stars.
10 million followers.
It's looking a lot different.
Give your husband driver or what?
Definitely looks a little bit different. It's 4:20 p.m. Friday. You can see they've had to chisel out around the sprinkler pop-up, the QuikClean head. Oh, there's a good example too. They chunked one out right there. Dangerous. Look at the destruction. Absolute annihilation of a pool. And absolute annihilation of a jacuzzi. I don't think we're going to go in this tonight. They were kind enough to stack the back wall, this stone over here, because I'm hoping to make a walkway over here. I don't know if it's enough to do that.